What's going on, everybody? My name is Tyler. I go by the name Lux or Cinematic Lux. I'm just making this video real quick because right now, as you see my account rising, I'm at about $1,600 for the day, 1630 as you just saw, and it's mainly off of Tesla. I just find it crazy that you can make your money make money for you, but only 1% of the world is actually doing this. And, these are rich people, the financial institutions. They don't get up and go to work every single day and break their backs and bust their asses, and then come home stressed out. No, they take their money, they put it into real estate markets, stock markets, foreign exchange markets, and they make money with their money. And I just wish that so many more people saw and understood things like this and understood that you can gain a financial education and see the world completely different. Spend the time it takes to learn the things you need to know now, get the mindset you need to get now, and spend more time with your family. Spend more time with your passion. Spend more time doing the things you want to do. Spend more time stress free. And don't get me wrong, I'm not selling any courses or anything like that. I'm not looking to make any money off of anybody. I just really want my peers to do the same thing that I'm doing. I want to have friends that I can be like, yo, let's go and fucking take a flight to Vegas for no reason. Let's go and fuck Vegas. Let's go to fucking Dubai. You know what I mean? I That's what I want. So I want to create friends and peers that can be on the same level to do those things with me. I'm making this money, but realistically, I don't have any friends. I'm doing this on my own. I have nobody to really share this with. You know what I mean? And it's lonely at the top. I guess that's why it's a saying, So if anybody's interested in learning the stock market, by the way, I trade options. I'm up a whole lot. I'm up 323% in Tesla alone today. I trade options. And this is another thing. You don't need $25,000. You don't need $5,000 to make this money. I trade with small accounts and I keep revolving the money in the small account. And right now, like for example, that trade with Tesla that is with $1,600 gain, I used $550, and here's your proof for people who may not believe it. Here it is. You see price paid, that's $5.15 per share. All right. I trade options, and what that means is, and you see it's one quantity, which means one call. $5.15 per share. One option means that I have the right to 100 shares of Tesla. And that is saying that means that it's $5.15 times 100 shares. That's $515, right? So that's all I spent. That's all I spent. Granted, I wish I would have spent, $2,000. Then I would have been up 4 times what I'm at right now. I would have been up, a little above 7,000 right now, and that would have been dope. But at the same time, I just like to risk as little money as possible, so I don't like using a large giant account. And at the same time, I use a smaller account to show everyday people that you don't need a giant account in order to trade the market. And I know there's going to be a bunch of naysayers under this video, who are going to be like, no, you should only make 2% a day, this, then, the third. Cool. Cool. When I first started, I only wanted $200 a day because my day job was paying me, $150 a day. And after taxes, I was getting like 105 a day. So $200 a day for 5 days a week is basically 52,000 a year, and that's dope. You know what I mean? But I started hitting $200 a day easy. 200 a day is guaranteed for me. So at this point now, it's like $500 a day is what I look for. I'm not going to sit here and tell you I make $1,700 every single day. No. But to be honest, has it been coming at least like once every 2 weeks? Sometimes once a week? Yes, it has. You just have to know what trades to look for. And, for all the people that want to sit there and also say, well, you're doing this in the biggest bull market and blah, blah, blah. You have to understand I trade options, which means that I make money when the market is up and I make money when the market's down because I can buy calls and puts. And that just simply means that I can bet for the market to go up and I can bet for the market to go down. And I don't even like using the word bet because people misconstrue it with betting, in a sense of gambling. And I can assure you guys it is not gambling whatsoever. It's gambling if you go into the market blinded and just throwing money at whatever and then you lose. And that's how a lot of people view the market. And they may know somebody who's done that, right? And then they got asked out, lost money, and they'll never trade the market again. But don't be that person. Go and get the education you need. Learn. Because I'm telling you guys, this can literally change your lives. So, like I said, if you're interested in learning the market, I have nothing to sell you. No classes or anything like that. Just looking for peers to build up. My Instagram is at Cinematic Lux. That's LUX for Lux. Follow me and hope everybody's having a green day. Bless.